record anyway. Tombstone City Park. It's supposed to be haunted too. Oh, I wonder if I need to put it on. Oh, there we go.
Did you crank it up?
Yeah, I just turned it up. I didn't have it on night vision. Tombstone City Park. Supposed to be some ghosties there.
Really?
Yep.
You want some audio?
I didn't bring my recorder, did you?
Yeah.
Ed Shefflin. He is the founder of Tombstone, I believe. Yeah, very cool.
This is Mike and Terry. We're at the Tombstone City Park. It's May 1st, probably about 10:30 p.m. I always forget to look at the time. 11 p.m. Are there any spirits here with us? Do you want to say something? Oh, looks like June's dad.
Really?
Uh-huh. I think it is. What's in his hand?
Looks like a pick.
Yeah. If that was a Bowie knife, that would be her dad. Oh, it's on the side.
What does it say? He was 1847 to 1897, so he lived 50 years. Prospector and miner, his discoveries of silver in 1877 and 78. Tombstone, Lucky Cuss, Good Enough, Tough Nut, Contention mining claims. He had a bunch of them. Led to the founding of the city of Tombstone. Very cool. It's good that you got a statue. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot you were recording.
That's all right. Thank you, Edward.
And we're coming up on the OK Corral. Yeah, this is nice. The street is dead. No vehicles.
No pun intended.
No loud, yeah, no pun intended. No loud noises. That is the corral.
Smells like diesel.
It does. Terry, run some audio.
I am.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off for a minute. Save battery. Very cool.
This is Mike and Terry. We are at the Tombstone City Park. It's May 1st, probably about 10:30 p.m. I always forget to look at the time. 11 p.m. Are there any spirits here with us? And do you want to say something? Oh, it's like June's dad.
Really?
Uh-huh. I think it is. What's in his hand? Oh, pickaxe. Yeah. If that was a Bowie knife, that would be her dad. Oh, it's on his side.
What does it say? He was 1847 to 1897, so he lived 50 years. Prospector and miner, his discoveries of silver in 1877 and 78. Tombstone, Lucky Cuss, Good Enough, Tough Nut, Contention mining claims. He had a bunch of them. Led to the founding of the city of Tombstone. Very cool. It's good that you
That is.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Edward. That's all right. Thank you, Edward.
Vehicle.
No pun intended.
Yeah. the corral.
Smells like diesel.
It does. Gary, want some audio?
I am.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off for a minute. Save battery.
Hey, Mike and I are here at the OK Corral entrance. Are there any spirits here that want to talk to us? Please tell us your name. You can hold this if you want, Mike. That's alright. Just hang and hold it for me. Is that too much glare?
No, alright.
I'm gonna start and stop this a lot. This thing is very sensitive.
Okay, this is on the streets of Tombstone. Boy, that light is glaring. Oh, too much there. This is where Morgan Earp was shot. 1882. Right across the street from Kate's. He was supposed to have been in Hatch's boarding house and pool hall. See there where it says original site of Campbell and Hatch's Saloon and Billiards. Morgan Earp murdered here while playing pool in 1882. So this is where Morgan got shot. I guess they shot him through one of the windows. I'm sure this isn't the same building, but there were so many fires in Tombstone. But go ahead, Terry. Ask whatever questions.
Are we going to leave here? Can you talk to us? There's music in the background. I'm here with Mike. My name is Terry. Chance to talk to us. We have some devices that can hear you. I'm sure that hundreds of people doing this. That looks cool. I'm gonna get a picture of this one.
Okay. Yeah. There's Kate's. Yeah, I like this camera. Where Morgan Earp was shot, 1882. Right across the street from Kate's. He was supposed to have been in Hatch's boarding house and pool hall. See there where it says original site of Campbell and Hatch's Saloon and Billiards.
I'm running audio. Morgan Earp, are you here? Can you say something on this recorder?
Go ahead, Terry. Ask whatever question.
Morgan, are you here? Can you talk to us? There's music in the background. I'm here with Mike. My name's Terry. Alright, give me a chance to talk to us. We have some devices that can hear you. I'm sure you've had hundreds of people doing this. That is cool. I'm going to get a picture of this one. Shoot big nose Kates across the street. Yeah, that looks cool too, huh? Let's see if I can see that far. Yeah, that light is amazing. And this camera has got that stabilizer in it. It's gonna have a ton of noise. This microphone's so sensitive. Ghosts and legends. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off for a minute. Should I?
We gotta go all the way down to the Birdcage.
So this is where Wyatt Earp was shot. December 28th, 1881. So it's 2 months after the fight, because the fight was October 26th.
Hopefully those are decent.
It's cool. 2 people killed in this spot. Here, let me get out of your way. Go ahead. You good?
Look at that skin.
See what happens when you turn that off. Oh yeah. Here we are in front of the Birdcage Theater. Running audio. I'm getting ready to. Mike and Terry at the Birdcage Theater. We just talked to a young man that had an experience here. knocking on the door, asked to go in, and being like pushed away, and feeling the force push him away. Are there any spirits here that want to talk to us? Leroy, are you still here? There's Leroy, huh? Do you want to talk to us? Mike and David met you years ago. I don't think I was with you then. And got a picture with you. We're sorry to hear what happened to you. Thinking you might still be hanging around here if you love the place.
Good?
Yeah. Any questions?
We like you, Leroy. We miss having you here. It just doesn't seem the same without you standing outside every time we come here.
Yeah.
Any of the cowboys in there. Hope you talk to us.
Oh yeah. We have gotten EVPs in there before, huh?
Yep. Even the girls.
If you're here, we'd appreciate it if you say something to us. On this device, we have 3 cameras that can hear you, 3 microphones. Thank you.
Mission accomplished.
Yes, sir.